We will discuss Amazon Web Services. In this section, we will discuss introduction of Amazon Web Services, its components, its IaaS service, PaaS, SaaS, then AWS integration and management, AWS billing, then AWS scalability, AWS application architecture, and at the end we will summarize and conclude Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is a secure cloud services platform offering computer power, database storage, content delivery, and other functionality to help business scale and grow. Running web and application servers in the cloud to host dynamic websites. And these are different services offered by Amazon, like Amazon S3, Amazon SQS, Amazon SimpleDB, and this is EC2 instance where user application is hosted. AWS spans IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. All three service model of cloud computing are supported by Amazon. Where AWS fits, is it public or private? Now let's discuss. On public model, where we have virtual private cloud, cohesive FTVPN cubed, Amazon VPC IP security VPNs are based. This is an isolated and public model. In private and isolated, we have internal private cloud like IBM, HP, Cisco, VMware, Microsoft, and 3 Tera Eucalyptus. But in shared model, we have private cloud, and there is external private cloud like Terrymark, HP, AT&T, IBM. But Amazon sits on public and shared model where we have Amazon GoGrid, Rackspace, and public cloud. What are the issues those are faced by web developers? Like 70% of web developers' effort is muck. It means operations and development of data centers, bandwidth, provisioning, power, cooling, operation, and staffing. And scaling is difficult and expensive. Large upfront investments are involved. Invest ahead of demand, and load are unpredictable. How we can handle unpredictable load, like slash dot dig TechCrunch effect. It tells rapid unexpected customer demand growth can happen. This is a daily page view per million, but there is unexpected rise in the spike on between May or June. Seasonal spikes, there might be seasonal spikes where previews goes up, like in this case, we can see that in 2003, this is seasonal spike, and in 2004, this is seasonal spike, and in 2006, we have another seasonal spike, which is higher than all other spikes. It means that we can have any unpredictable page reviews and daily page visits, and we cannot predict them accurately. How we can survive in this kind of model? Because there is lot of variation between page reviews and page views. We cannot deploy massive infrastructure and hardware and bandwidth and cooling and stuffing to handle these spikes because it will overcost. If we manage to handle these spikes, then we need to have very large capital expenditure to handle lot of customers. This dash lines shows that predicted demand, and this is the traditional hardware. It will goes up and up to cater this growing predicted demand. But actual demand is this red line. How we can handle these demands? We can use automated virtualization to take care of all these spikes and hikes. Its solution is web scale computing. Scale capacity on demand. We need to have a service which can we upgrade as required, and we can able to turn fixed cost into variable cost, which is based on the usage. And this kind of service should be always available, and the reliability of such service should be rock solid, and there must be simple APIs and conceptual model to implement this service, and it should be cost effective, and there must be reduced time to market, and it should be focused on product and core competences. Here is a solution that is AWS services. Building block services that allow developers to innovate and make money. AWS offers number of services. One of them is infrastructure as a service, where Amazon offers Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon Simple Queue Service, and Amazon Simple DB. Another service is Commerce as a Service, where it provides Amazon flexible payment services, fulfillment web service, and also provides data as a service, where Amazons have Amazon e-commerce service, Amazon historical pricing, and it also provides people as a service, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Alexa Web Services, it provides Alexa Web Information Service, Alexa Top Sites, Alexa Site Thumbnails, Alexa Web Search Platform. Also provides search as a service, where Alexa Web Information Service is available, Alexa Top Sites, Alexa Site Thumbnails, and Alexa Web Search Platforms are available. This is the architecture of Amazon Web Services. This is a presentation layer which is provided on end user side. This is a platform, and this is the information. On presentation layer, end user browse the cloud front, and end user can email, and this is private cloud, where we have virtual private cloud, VM import, AWS import export. But on presentation layer, there is load balancing, and it balances the load between different servers. And here we have cluster compute, EC2, and auto scaling. On the information layer, we have CloudFront Simple Storage Service, Elastic Block Storage, and Relational DB Service. These are the infrastructure as a service components, like we have store, compute, and message. Store services provide simple storage service, and computational powers are handled by Elastic Compute Cloud, and messages are handled by Simple Queue service.